Hi YouTube! This video is in English because this design and the STL files are published on Thingiverse, an international website for 3D printer users. Before we continue describing this project, let's first give an intro. The inspiration for this project comes from this video, the link of which I will put in the description. I had seen this video and it was exactly what I was looking for. Unfortunately, it was based on a 1-inch pipe, something that is not easily available in the Netherlands, but that was a problem that could be solved. Unfortunately, the creator of this video did not respond to my request if I could have the STL files. Richard, a good RC friend, wanted to draw this himself in Onshape, so that we could print it on a 3D printer. A link to Richard's YouTube channel and Thingiverse site is in the description. He had made a design based on a 40mm PVC pipe, which is widely available in the Netherlands. Coincidentally, while looking for a PVC pipe, I saw a number of sawn broom handles in the shed, a leftover from a previous project. These were broom handles from the dollar store. Very cheap wood, super light, but great for this project. The diameter of the broom handles was 23.5mm and that seems to be fairly standardized. Richard had shared the Onshape drawings with me and I started adjusting the dimensions in the drawings, but it soon became apparent that it was more work to adjust the drawings than to partially redraw them. The base plate has been adapted from the original drawings from Richard, the coupling is original and the ridges have been adjusted so far that only the first sketches remain. Clamp 1, Clamp 2 and Clamp 3 have been redrawn, as has the link to the GoPro stand. The mobile phone clamp and the nut holders comes from another Thingiverse designer. All parts are printed once, only the ridges twice. Support is needed. These ridges are attached to clamps 1 and 2 with CA glue. Make sure you attach them to the correct side of the clamp. To be honest, I doubt these ridges are necessary. The broom handle is very light and there seems to be enough friction between the clamps. However, it doesn't hurt to glue them in between, so I glue them in between. All parts of the design are printed on 100% infill and I would highly recommend that. Only the base plate is printed with 40% infill. The mobile phone clamp and nut holders come from Thingiverse. I also will mention in the description what they are called and where you can find them. I printed the clamp for the mobile phone and the nut holders with the infill and the support as the designer recommended. The bolts are all hexagon type nuts, M5 x 30mm. Only the nut for the coupling is a hexagon type nut, M5 x 35mm. If you're going to make this setup, I would really appreciate it if you left a message under this video, which I hope will be useful to someone. So, see you next time, bye.